Okay, we're going into Hinagdanan. Say it for me.
Hinagdanan Cave.
Hinagdanan Cave here. We're going down in the hole. Wow. Okay, yeah.
Careful.
Wow. I see that. Watch your head, watch your feet, watch your ass. Going down them stairs. Alright, slippery when wet. Old people, hang on to something as you go down here. Hang on for dear life. It smells like somebody smoking a joint down here. It's like the first time in this country I've ever... It's like California down here. All right, we have entered the cauldron. The stalactites are holding tight, and the stalagmites might have held tight, but they didn't.
So karon kaning duha ka bangag, muna na siya agianan sa mga walay ticket. So ang kagiyan nila is barangay na, gidunit na sa farmers sa local government. Ang kami mga ato. So ang source sa tubig duha. Sir, bugnaw sir. Okay. Bugnaw, wala ka din naging. Picture. So dito di ka lang kami dagat.
Okay, so we just crawled out of the cave there. I took a little dip. Oh, maybe what, 5 or 10 minutes in the water there. Boy, I'm sure glad I didn't bring my mask and fins and snorkel. I would have made a real idiot out of myself, as usual. But I brought some goggles, and those were also useless. It's too dark in there to see anything, so you're just going to pretty much stay on the surface there and float around for a little while. But it's not like a big day trip, this thing. You go in and out of the cave, and it doesn't go back in there or anything. It's just one cavern in the water, and you can pay, how much was it? 100?
175.
What was the extra?
50 is 50 pesos for entrance and 75 for swim.
75 extra if you want to go swimming in there. So I popped for that, took a little dip, and we've been here for about a half hour, 45 minutes, and I'm gonna get a coconut shake maybe, and a couple dozen t-shirts, some bracelets. Gonna eat lunch, and then we'll be on our way. So that's the scoop on Hinagdanan
Cave.
Hinagdanan Cave and Bath Resort in beautiful Bingag, Dauis, Bohol, Philippines. Signing out. All right, so I'm popping for the large coconut shake here. I always get nervous when people chop coconuts because I wouldn't trust myself doing that, I can tell you that much. But if you're from the province, then it's no problem chopping up coconuts and stuff like that.
Hi.
Do you chop coconuts? How much do you charge for coconut shakes?
20.
In the province, 20. I'm going to the province for my next coconut shake. Okay, that's a good deal.
2 hours
How
drive.
big is it? About this big?
Maybe like that.
That big? Okay.
2 hours drive, but you can go to in province like that.
Yeah. This is just fruit shake heaven over here. Let me tell you. Green mango, ripe mango, anything you want. It's here. After your busy day of caving and caving and caving and swimming, you gotta come out here and get yourself a shake. Hey.
Mike.
Mike. Mike's the Yashik.
By the way, it's Jeff's favorite.
I know you like Mike, but Mike's not here today, okay? Mike's not allowed to leave the hotel room.
Tarsier.
Hey, you touch it, you buy it.
No, I don't need to buy it.
You touch it, I buy it. No monkeying around there.
Don't worry, I'm the monkey.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Wow. Let me see.
Big monkey.
Let me see your tail, monkey.
big monkey.
Oh, that's quite a monkey tail you got there. Okay.
Are you looking house for him? I have here.
I'm house poor. That's the only kind of house I got. Keychain.
2 bedroom,
Keychain
1
house.
CR.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
How much?
1.5.
1.5 million. That's the foreigner price. How much is the local price?
What?
How much is the local price?
No price, maybe 40.
50 pesos. 40 pesos.
4,000.
All right. Well, there you go. You have a Filipino do all your negotiating for you in this country. Get 1 million pesos off. Now, I asked an expert how much time it takes to grow a coconut to that size.
Maybe 5 years, 10 years.
5 or 10 years.
Yeah.
So these coconuts are 5 or 10 years old. Is that true? Are these coconuts 5 or 10 years old? Does it take that long? How old would a coconut like that be?
Maybe.
How old? Don't let her tell you. I'm asking you. You're selling coconut. How long?
Pila man ang katuig, Jo? Ang coconut ug makuan? Pila katuig ug
Ang
makuan?
coconut buhi. I think 10 years.
10 years.
10 years.
You back to 10
Well,
years.
you're vindicated. You're vindicated. I had no idea it took that long to
10
grow
years,
to grow a coconut. Yeah, that's
Since when you-
crazy. Okay, all right. I'm gonna get my 100 pesos out and try this exquisite coconut shake that took 10 years to make, right?
Bye.
Okay. So there it is, the coconut shake stand. It's worth the ride. All right, well, here's an added bonus. If you take a left out of the cave across from the coconut shake stand and you want to kill a couple minutes here, I'm told that you can see down into the cave over here. So let's see what the story is. It's nice and cool back in here. I think I smell that California smell back in here. It must be just, I don't know, the different kind of grass. Something, I don't know. Well, okay, there's not much to see down in there, but I can hear people in there. What about over here? What's going on? What's going on over here? It's like a vent or something here for this thing.
Here, you can see. Here.
I think this is what you call a cenote in Mexico. There's people? Oh, we can see people down in there. Hey, people.
You didn't pee.
I'm gonna blame it on, I'm gonna pee on them? Oh my God, you're even worse than me.
I'm the bad one.
Oh my God. You know, it's gonna take them at least a minute to get out of the cave, right? Okay, so I don't know, there's some other man-made structure over here. But this is pretty neat back in here. Oh, here's something interesting. So after you have your coconut shake, if you were wondering what they did with the coconut husks, there they are. They throw them back across the street here. Okay, well, they are biodegradable, I guess. So anyways, I'm gonna sit down for a minute. So you don't know what's back in there, do you?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, anyways, if I get ambitious, I'll go there, but I don't think so. Huh?
Juvy place.
Now she gets shy. She makes a comment and look at her.
Juvy place.
Your place is back in there? Okay. Okay, so we just came up here to the bee farm. Unfortunately, all the bees were blown away by Typhoon Odette, so there's no more bee farm. But this place here looks pretty cool, so we're gonna walk around here a little bit and see what's here. There's some sort of wedding going on, and so we're gonna maybe crash that and have some drinks on the house. I wonder if they have any leftover honey.
Yeah, sweet honey. But we don't know. I asking here if we still have a bee.
There's not one bee left here.
Yeah, we have one.
Oh, there's a bee. I see a bee right there.
No, this is not a
Can't you see it? Or is that a wasp? That's a wasp. Oh no. The bees are all gone. Ice cream production. Whoa. They got if they have coconut ice cream here, then we have to try that.
Yes,
Even though we just had that shake. I can't pass up coconut ice cream.
There.
I think I saw this in a video once. This place actually looks familiar to me for some reason. It's a very mystical place here. Oh, here's the fresh coconut, gluten-free. Wow.
We have
Wow. Huh? How much is a small scoop of, how much is a small scoop? 80.
Yes.
Okay. Can I kind of need it to eat any of this with me? Or
Huh?
are you going to eat a little bit with me?
Yep.
Oh, very little, right?
Boko,
What is she
what
doing?
flavor?
Huh? I just coconut. I want coconut. One scoop of a coconut.